Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add the Islamic date to your iPhone lock screen. If you prefer having the Islamic date instead of the normal date on your lock screen, you can easily set this up in the settings, so let's get started. First, go to your iPhone settings, and in the settings scroll down until you find calendar, and let's tap on it. Then tap on alternative calendars. You'll see three options: Chinese, Hebrew and Islamic. Tap on the Islamic to enable it. Let's come back out into the main settings and find the wallpaper section, and let's tap into that. Now while we found this, let's tap on customize on this wallpaper here, and we can see the date here at the top, so let's tap on the date and then scroll down until you see alternative date. This is where the Islamic date will be displayed. Simply tap on alternative date to display the Islamic date right next to the regular date on your lock screen. Once you're happy with the changes, hit done at the top right hand corner of the screen and you're all set. That's all for now, folks. Now you know how to add the Islamic date to your iPhone lock screen. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.